Hi, my name is Anna, and this is my review of WolfGrowth.com. WolfGrowth is a software that helps you auto-post, mass view, and like Instagram stories. Initially, I had my doubts about WolfGrowth. Claims of being able to view tens of thousands of Instagram stories daily and gaining highly targeted, niche-specific followers seemed too good to be true. With so many sites offering fake followers and questionable practices, I couldn't help but wonder if WolfGrowth was any different. However, after seeing it in action, I can confidently say that WolfGrowth truly delivers on its promises. Well, let me show you how WolfGrowth actually works. WolfGrowth uses artificial intelligence to build organic social influence. Its AI-driven cutting-edge technology allows users to run the Instagram mass story viewer on a massive scale. The concept is very straightforward. By watching the stories of individuals within your desired demographic, they will take notice and visit your profile. If they find your content engaging, they may choose to follow you. It's a straightforward concept. The way it works is really simple. The first step is to establish your target preferences. Consider larger accounts within your niche or even your competitors. Once you have added these to the WolfGrowth software, the artificial intelligence will identify the optimal individuals to interact with based on your selected targets. After setting your targets, all that's left is to press start and the software will handle the rest. WolfGrowth will then proceed to view a high volume of stories daily, specifically those of individuals who are highly targeted and have a higher likelihood of following you after reviewing your profile. Allow me to quickly demonstrate the process within the software. We are now in the WolfGrowth dashboard. Let's go down to the Mass Story Engager Pro tool. Here we can see how many actions our account is performing on a daily basis. Now let's jump over to the target settings. As you can see, we added many target usernames to the software. All I had to do was start the Mass Planner Pro tool, and now WolfGrowth is viewing and liking stories of people who could potentially follow us. As you can see in the activity log, it marks many stories as seen already. When we go over to the Stats tab, we can see exactly how many stories we viewed, how many new likes, and how many new followers we got each day. I am extremely impressed with the capabilities of WolfGrowth. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, allowing me to schedule posts, track analytics, and interact with followers with ease. The Mass Story Viewer feature, in particular, stood out to me as it allows for the viewing of tens of thousands of stories daily. This feature alone helped me gain over 2,500 genuine Instagram followers within the first week of using the software. The analytics tracking is also incredibly detailed, providing me with valuable insights into the performance of my content and aiding in making informed decisions about my social media strategy. In conclusion, I highly recommend WolfGrowth to anyone looking to streamline their social media management and gain real, highly targeted Instagram followers who engage with your content. I hope this information provided an understanding of how WolfGrowth works and what to expect. Thank you for watching and have a great day.